Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is elevation. It's time to make sure that your mind state, your radical faith within your abilities are in the solar system. I want you to not shortchange yourself in the universe. Do not shortchange yourself financially and also with your breakthroughs. Do not limit the universe saying, well, I'll be fine with this if you want me to have. No, shoot for the stars and beyond. I free myself from fear because fear fears you. Once you look in the eye, guaranteed it runs the other way and you're on your way to your blessings. Nothing can stop you. You put trust in the universe and I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me, which is amazing. I use my spiritual strength and knowledge to create light and I rise above all doubt. It's time to elevate radical faith, radical belief in yourself. And watch how you'll be surprised. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.